If you're watching this tutorial, it's probably because you're not sure how to exit Flashcards or StoryMaker. Now, there is a reason why it's a little bit hidden in the software, and that is because we don't want students themselves to be deciding when they're going to be exiting the software, when they're going to be stopping working with it, but rather we want those that are teaching them to be making those decisions. So that's why it's a little bit hard to find, but it's also very easy to access. So on any screen, you'll see a settings button. So click on the settings button, and then if you go to the top of the menus, you'll see main. Click on main, and now it's easy to see. There is the button that says quit StoryMaker, and in Flashcards, of course, it's exactly the same. It'll say quit Flashcards. So we're going to quit StoryMaker. It's going to ask, do you want to quit? We hit the tick button, and there we are. You've exited the software.